Hotel in Hong Kong for as low as 3,600 pesos per night na located sa Tsim Sha Tsui, malapit sa train station, bus stop, restaurants and convenience store, at walking distance sa mga libreng pasyalan sa Hong Kong. Dito yan sa BP International Hotel. Standard check-in time is 2 p.m. and check-out time is 12 noon. 24 hours ang front desk at walang security deposit na hiningi sa amin. Sa hallway pala papunta sa rooms, merong vending machine. Binook namin ng City Vista King Room na may isang king bed, may side table with lamp, phone, pen and paper, and may hotel sleepers din. Sa tapat ng kama, may TV, and sa side, may mahabang table kung nasaan yung luggage rack, vanity area with foldable mirror and hair dryer. May bintana din na may magandang city view. Sa may entrance ng room, may open closet na may hanger and safety deposit box. Then may area para sa iba pang mga gamit. Ito naman yung mini bar na may electric kettle, cups, complimentary coffee and tea, and sa baba yung mini ref. Dito naman tayo sa CR. Ayan yung sink area with mirror, hand soap, glass, and cotton buds. Yung toilet, as expected, walang bidet. Ito yung shower area, provided na yung shower gel, shampoo, and bath towels. Ang ganda din ng location nito kasi sa tapat ng hotel may mga restaurants and convenience store, may malapit na train station at bus stop, tapos walking distance lang sa mga libreng pasyalan gaya ng Kowloon Park, Hong Kong Cultural Center at Avenue of Stars. Pwede rin kayong mag-book ng room sa Klook for as low as 3,600 pesos per night at mas makakatipid pa kayo pag ginamit nyo ang promo code na WIDATZ and Klook to get exclusive discounts.